Hey guys, we are back once again. My name is Nathaniel Hibbert. This is my brother Stephen Hibbert. I usually don't use my full name, but that's cool. We'll go with it for this
Yeah,
video.
and you're not saying together we are wingman. I used to like when you used to say that.
Uh,
Now you don't say it anymore. Now I feel like I'm the one constantly saying that.
Well, anyways, we're back with our our three-part series talking about Pre-Flight 2.0. This is actually the last video, so if you missed the first two, go ahead and click through and find those. Those are definitely worth your time. But we're just trying to clarify exactly what our pre-flight course is and what you can expect to be getting. So in the first one, we talked about research, and in the second video, we talked about the creative phase of our business, so the art side, which is my favorite. And now we're going to talk about how all those things work together and really refining those to create something that's going to be consistent.
Yeah, so with how our business is set up, I'm obviously the analytical side. We always research everything first. We talked about the test, don't guess. We're going to start building on top of that when we move to the next phase, which is Nathaniel's phase. And we're really trying to, now that we kind of see where the customers are going, we want to be able to create something that the customers might actually purchase. So now in the refining process, we're taking both parts of that business, we're putting it together, and then we're testing a lot more. We're doing that through split testing. That's a concept that we are going to talk a lot more about in pre-flight. We touch on a little bit before in here, but we're definitely going to kind of flesh out that full idea so everybody understands what split testing is. We also did a free class about the doubling down. We take this split testing, we see what's working, then again we're refining that process down so that we can double down so we can better cater to the customers. This whole system is being able to start and finish in a way that you guys can see, oh, here's all the steps. I can use all these steps. I can refine this process. I can create it and make it mine so that you can have your own successful merch business. We have found a lot of success. We've, throughout the last year and a half now, have helped hundreds of people. We want to continue to do that. We feel like pre-flight is the kind of the 1,000-foot view of our business, and then we start working our way down till we hit the rubber on the pavement and the rubber meets the road and start helping you guys build your own business.
So if you guys have liked our teaching in the past or liked our free content, and you're like, man, I just wish I could get more of their time, more understanding of everything they're doing, Pre-Flight is definitely the place to be. We're excited to have this class starting next week. So if you want to know more, check the description either below, above or below, wherever that link is at. Click that, and that will take you to learning more about this course. So we hope to see you guys in there.